started?
Yep, let's go.
Go.
Okay, we are
Go.
in competition with Polari Boys. Next up, Pix 98. And whatever. What? Stop. Like a little. Next, no, he comes out of you, and then I'm like.
And featuring Jacoby plays MC and Super Otter.
What'd you say? Featuring MC and what?
Super Otter.
Super Otter, so you subscribe, so don't subscribe.
Yeah, do subscribe. Anyway, let's go.
Whoa.
Okay, 3. This is Brian first. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, dang it. I just drink
Take it up,
water.
take it up, take it up. JD's turn.
What? Can I get this picture?
No.
Start with the picture.
It's a video. He's doing okay, it's a burping contest.
Okay.
I can burp 3 times in a row.
No one really cares, Jacob.
Okay, do it, do it.
Let's go. Alright, let's have a vote with all 3 of us.
Oh yeah.
So this random kid plays MC and Super Otter.
Super Otter doesn't really matter.
And
What about him?
Yeah. What about this
I
random?
don't know, random kid. I have no idea.
Watching us.
Actually, no, I'm not.
Like random kid.
Why are you saying
Hey,
kid?
random kid.
I'm your friend.
Random kid, what's your
Oh wait. Oh wait. If you vote, whatever his name is, say aye.
Wait, what is
Aye.
your name anyway?
Wait, no. I don't know.
My name is.
What's your
My name's
name?
X98.
Oh,
My
okay,
name
whatever.
is X98.
I was on your baseball team when I was in 2nd grade.
Okay, we're getting a little bit TMI. Too much.
I thought that almost made it in the garbage can.
You made my tooth bleed.
What? That's
No, that's your lip.
That's a
That's
lip.
your
That's a
lip.
lip, Macy.
That's your lip. That's your lip.
Okay, guys.
My vote's Polari Boys.
My vote.
I kind of made a long one.
My vote. Polari
Leave it in
Boys.
the
Yeah.
Leave
Okay.
it in-
Okay.
Random kids vote.
Leave it in the
Question
comments.
mark.
Leave it in the comments whoever you think.
All right. Here we go. Goodbye. 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 LOL.